Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue of being unable to add a background in messages on your iPhone running iOS 26. First of all, make sure your iPhone is updated to the latest version, that is iOS 26. Now, open the Messages app and select any conversation. Then, tap on the profile picture at the top of the conversation. You should see Backgrounds option here. And if you don't see it, go to the Settings app, then scroll all the way down and tap on Apps. Now, find Messages from the list of apps and tap on it. And here, make sure iMessage is toggled on. This feature only works when iMessage is enabled, so double check that it's on. If you still cannot see the background option, check that low power mode is turned off and also make sure video's motion is disabled. For that, go back to the main settings menu, then tap on Accessibility. After that, go into Motion and here simply toggle off Reduce Motion option. This allows animated backgrounds and effects to work properly in Messages. After making these changes, open the Messages app again and start a new message or open a conversation. Then tap on their profile picture and you should now see the backgrounds option. You can add backgrounds without any issue. And that's all. That's how you can fix the issue of being unable to add a background in messages on iOS 26. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more of these videos, and thank you for watching.